and more urgent struggle of a different type. The struggle to eradicate poverty. As long as we still have people who are poor, as long as our children are still struggling to pay their fees, as long as our young people are still graduating without jobs, as long as we have not yet transformed our economy, not a jobless economy, but an economy that produces jobs, Madiba, we are still going to make sure we dare not fail you. Because that's what you sacrifice your entire life to make sure that an African child is also have dignity and respected. As the African National Congress, by the way, we are celebrating 114 years, tried and tested. Tikuamba ngadzimwe birthday, nandikuamba yashu 114 vaifa, tried and tested. Rono chimbira mathada manji, bono zvibona mumwe omaliwa odzula buhadzi 114 years, mumwe adachi kadito bvopedza zvin'wanyana abononga anga computer na muthu odzula miṅwaha ya 114 azvikonadzei. You cannot compete with us. We have seen it all. We have fixed where we were struggling. We are still fixing. That's why we are under renewal. So comrades, we are not here to slaughter. We are not here, but we are here because our mandate and our task is that of we are in the battlefield. We are at war. Rindwan, marandwa yashu, ndia urwana busiwana, ndwa yashu ndia urwana ndara, ndwa yashu ndia urwana basachumi, ndwa yashu ndia utiba zipoto. And we can tell you, even here, musendichi dahapa, zipoto zanu zatshishabisa ngamanda. Rorutua, bo emmeya rabasala bachi jena pasi, bo ndia zdiba, var ndia zdiba zinu. Vati general pasi na rine riko dariko tusana nabo urikari lugise hezi zi potholes. During our celebration, 114, we were at Northwest. I'm told our colleague, the Secretary of Northwest, is here with us. Because we know how much we love the ANC in Limpopo, Secretary. We appreciate you being here. President Ramaphosa, during his 114 NEC statement, we were very clear that we are going to report to him. If the ANC ask me, Premier, you said in my capacity as a Premier, because this is a job that belongs to the ANC. Some people were angry yesterday when I was with Comrade Paya and Mamidupi. When I said, I'm Premier, proudly brought to you by the ANC. But oh, it's wrong with campaign. Who brought me here? ANC. I am a Premier brought to you by the ANC. As much as you say potholes are brought to you by the ANC, even the water that we are giving people is brought to you by the African National Congress. By the way, the potholes were not brought to you by the ANC. It's about us when we are lazy as deployees. That's why the ANC will recall us if we don't fix potholes. So I'm simply saying, if ANC ask me, why are you not fixing your economy? I keep on saying, Musanda Bomadaje, my deputy chair Makoro, my problem is the DG, my problem is the DDG, my problem is the HOD. They must simply remove me and bring a Premier who will see the DG being a problem and reshuffle the DG. When the MEC is a problem, ask the MEC to step aside to another department and fix the province. There is nothing factional about it. Even if you are my friend, if you are not performing, I will ask you and take you where I think you can perform better. Because sometimes I might think, premier. Limpopo has got more than 6.5 million people, who all of them. Premier. So it means it's an honor to be a premier. Letting 6.5 million people, Comrade Inoko. What is the population? What is the population of Namibia and other provinces, other countries? 6.5 million people. Their lives are in your hands as the leader of that government. Therefore, you must honor them. You must work. So let's go and do what Madiba, President Mandela, would wanted us to have done. We acknowledge that yes, things might not have gone right. But also I must remind those who keep on saying, ANC keeps on apologizing, ANC keep on saying, no, we are sorry, ANC. No, the ANC does not keep on saying we are sorry. When you are working, there are times where you will make mistake. And to acknowledge your mistake, it's not a sign of weakness, but acknowledging your mistake is the strength, and that you are about to correct your mistake. Let me tell you what I keep on telling my members of Executive Council, Sand. I always tell the MECs, there's a hospital called Hayan. We must go and visit that hospital one day so that I demonstrate what I mean.